Hello everyone. Happy Sunday. I'm here with my son. Say hi, Lorenzo.
Hi. What?
So we're here in the airport. If you can see, we're beside the airport, and we're waiting for something here. Anyway, so an update for our Coffee Crisis Center. Tomorrow we'll be reaching out to coffee shops in Manila, particularly roasters as well, cafes, as well as coffee experts. Okay, so we'll be giving you updates on that because it's gonna be like a daily process that we have to do outreach for these groups of people, business groups, coffee business groups. So the goal is for us to talk to them and get their feedback and ask them where do they want to put our coffee crisis center. I'll explain in the future what are the features and the goal of that's the hub or the center. But for now, I'm telling you the action plan for next week, starting tomorrow, and that is one of them. We'll be reaching out to coffee business groups, and then we'll be asking for their feedback. Okay, so when you say center, it's like a hub where people meet and gather, and yeah, more on that in the future, but I'm just giving you some brief information. Okay, another thing is we'll be also we're thinking of doing it in Benguet province because that is known for Arabica farming, and the Benguet province has a lot of Arabica trees, and then sometimes they also have Robusta in Kalinga. So we're thinking of Benguet, but again, that depends on our community. By the way, the Philippines is just one of the projects that we're going to build. This is a global project, so everyone is welcome to join, particularly the coffee producing regions in Latin America, Africa, in Asia Pacific. Okay, so we will be discussing more about that in the future. But for now, since we're based here in the Philippines, we're focusing on the Philippines here. Okay, so happy Sunday, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.